Go, 1, 2, let's go. All right. Welcome everyone. It's Irvin here, aka Team with Irvin. Today is June 24, 2020, making today our Wednesday midweek analysis. So we are gonna go over all our 12 pairs that we analyzed. First of all, we did our pre-week analysis on Saturday, so you can get to see an overview what the market is gonna do, and then we usually do our full week analysis on Sunday, where we release about 8 to 12 different pairs. So, and I see that a lot of you guys are sending me a lot of messages behind scenes. Irvin, please make sure you don't forget about Euro USD, but it's too late. So I will add that pair on my next analysis. For some reason you want me to do that, I will do it because you requested. All right. So just a quick disclaimer, guy, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to collect hundreds and hundreds. Wait. We're here to collect what? What do you think we're here to collect? Stephen, what are we here to collect? The dragon. We're here to collect those hundreds of pips, believe that. Alright, so make sure you hit that bell notification so you will know when we post our brand new videos as well. And I want to give a shout out to all my team that is watching here, and hopefully they do ask questions as well. All right. So like I said, you know, we are trading with simplicity and our own version of our triple arrow system. We have rules, so never ever trade without rules. So we're gonna go ahead and start with USD CHF, and I'm gonna pay attention. I think Drew Stanley, the other day, he told me that one of this indicator in the middle, it didn't match with one of my pairs. So we are gonna look. I'm not sugarcoating anything. If I find a mistake or you guys find a mistake, let me know, because we are here for what, Harold? For those hundreds of pips. All right, so first of all, let's take a look at it. Let's see what we got here for this week. This is what I told you guys on this particular pair. Pay attention. First of all, the most important thing here is only one thing, guys: time frames. If you don't know how to use your time frame, look, we got a pretty good number watching us today. So let me go ahead and start with saying that in order for you to make money, guys, you have to analyze the market using the larger time frame. All the traders they like to use the lower time frame, which is fine. But in my opinion, you have to analyze the market using your larger time frame. If you like 4 hours, do it. If you like daily, do it. If you like weekly, do it. If you like monthly, that's even better. And then whatever you find on any larger time frame, your lower time frame will be doing it no matter what. Hopefully I can show you some examples so you can see it, and hopefully it makes sense. If it does not make sense, please send me a comment and I will be more than happy to help you. But pay attention here. What is my favorite time frame that I use? My favorite time frame that I use is 4 hours. We are analyzing USD CHF. USD CHF is here as well. USD CHF is here as well. It's all over the place. 4 hours. This is what I told you guys on Sunday. On Sunday, I said this pair was not ready yet to go up. You see that? I said market still got room to drop. I said about probably 2 to 3 different candles. No, the market dropped even more. So overall here, this pair was not ready to go up, and it's still not ready in my opinion. For those that had done, my classes with me, they can see there is no entry on this one to be bullish yet. I clearly said the market was still coming down, so you can't get upset. It did exactly what I told you. Exactly what I told you. But it was a pretty good pips that it came down when I told you. Because I didn't know in that time how far it was gonna go. But let's say you would have put a sell here. Always, guys. We are in this business to make money, so make sure no matter how many pips you are already making, lock in profit, guys. Look at here, we had 31 pips. Market dropped 31 pips. No, market dropped even more. It dropped all the way to the bottom. But this one here, I told you that the market was not ready and it was still gonna drop down a few more candles. That's exactly what happens. But the question here, this is the old version, right? This is the old version of our triple arrow, because a lot of you guys want to see that. Look at here, triple arrows in there. What do you think is going on and with the simplicity? I mean, I don't know. Let's do it together, because I want you to be my judge and say, Irvin, look, you're doing this. Whatever you think I'm doing wrong, I want you to see it. Look, triple arrows in there. Do you guys see any simplicity going bullish? Not yet. Not yet. So the market is still what? Still bearish market, guys. Still bearish market. Hopefully all this makes sense, guys. But overall here, I don't even know who am I trading with. I don't know if you guys know, but I don't remember. Okay, I see it. Okay, this pair is great, guys, to be honest. This pair is excellent, great. It's right now. What do you guys think the market is doing right now? Fernando, what do you think the market is doing here, Fernando? What about Wendell Morris, what do you think the market is doing here? Or let me do somebody else. Stefan, what do you think the market is doing in this particular pair? Because I want you guys to tell the world as well. Look, let me type it, because if you're not gonna answer this, I will answer it for you. Here we are in a what? What do you think it's doing? We are going in continuation of what? Of a bullish market. That's what we're doing. So far it's doing it, guys. Pay attention here. We're looking a bullish market. It's doing exactly, yes, it's doing a small reversal, which is fine. It's part of the trade. I mean, part of this business too. They're always gonna do that. That's what I always tell everyone that I see it. That's what I tell everyone, that always lock yourself in profit if you're gonna do that. But guys, I want everyone to know that if you think what you're seeing here on YouTube is amazing, unfortunately, I cannot reveal the whole thing, how I do things behind scene. If you think that very little information that you see is amazing, you have not seen the whole picture yet. And it's a lot more, it's very, very simple how I do this stuff. But I have rules. Rules will pay your bills. You know what? I should make another song with the title, Rule Will Make You Hundreds of Pips. Oh, I like that. So most likely we're gonna do that. All right, so hopefully this makes sense to you guys. Now let's go to the next one. We're gonna bring you up. Let me select some of you guys. Type number 1 if you are watching us for the first time, so I can maybe show you with more confident on how we do this. This one we did it. I did a class yesterday live where I was telling my team what this pair was doing. So what I told you guys on Saturday, this was Saturday. I say on Saturday, market still was gonna go up. Retest our 38.2 Fibonacci. I love to trade with this Fibonacci lines, guys. This Fibonacci here is amazing. Look at here, 38. It came exactly and it hit exactly what I told you. And then from there, I said the market was gonna come down, retest our 0 Fibonacci now, but the market dropped. And then right now, the market is going bullish. All right, so Freeland, Ryan, James, Nils, Brian, we all got newbies here. Look at, guys, since you guys are new here, let me show you a pretty amazing trick here. This is how look, I'm teaching you here the old version of our triple arrow. Now, let me show you how I know what's going on here, because you're not seeing it. Let me show you the new system, the simplicity system, because I want you to see before and after. This is what you're seeing right now. Let me go ahead and bring my template. I already called this Sunday, right? Because this is Sunday. Look at what simplicity is telling you here. All right, so let me see. Let me put someone in the test. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 newbies here. All right, Ben Jonathan, let me pick you. What do you think the market is doing here? Let's see. I want him to tell the world what he think is the market doing, and I will challenge him, and I will put him on the spot, not on their hard way. This is the only way that you are gonna be. I'm gonna learn this business. Supposedly here, you know what? Let's not be rude. Let's be nice. Oscar said hello. Oh, okay, welcome. Stefan said please sign up for the 101 life changing. Oh, you better believe that. That is true. All right, so Brian said yes sir, will do. All right, perfect. What do you think the market is doing here, guys? Type number 2, if you agree the market is doing bullish right now. Type number 2, or type number 1, number 3, if you believe the market is still in a bearish market. Because I'm gonna show you an amazing trick. Look, I love to use 4 hours, guys. I love to use 4 hours. Let's just draw a box here just for fun, right? Look, market is sitting right now, and what? It's sitting on our 38.2 Fibonacci line. All right, look at this. People say market is still bullish, right? All right, so I would say the market is bearish. Who agree with me the market is bearish? You think the market is bearish? All right, so let me show you how I do things behind scene. Let's say you love to use 5 minutes, because some people love to use 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and they expect those baby time frame to do exactly what 4 hours to expect to do the same thing. Oh, look at what Phil said. Phil said it's a bearish market. Congratulations. All right, cool. So look at what Phil said. Look at here, guys. Look at here. Pay attention. This is what you're gonna learn behind scenes. This is how I do things. Triple arrow, simplicity, coming down. What do you think is on 15 minutes? You think triple arrow simplicity is in there? Jason said yes. Wando said yes. All right. All right, let's go to 15 minutes, because I don't know. I'm doing it live with you guys here. I want you guys to see the whole thing, how I do things. Remember, my name is Tim Urban. Look at that. Triple arrow is forming, coming down. But pay attention here. Pay attention here. There is no data whatsoever on 4 hours. 4 hours is telling you otherwise. I'm telling you what the market is doing. Look, we just did it live. Lucky Forex says bearish. Phyllis said is trip on. Okay. Look at this, guy. Look at this. Everyone would think the market is in a bullish market. Yes, it will do a small pullback. That's why we're seeing a triple arrow and simplicity, it coming down on any lower time frame. But look at here, it's telling us otherwise up. I had rules. This is the type of rules that you need to understand when to trade this market if you are doing a pullback, when you need to stay away. In my opinion, guys, I highly recommend everyone, if you don't know how to trade pullback, please stay away. Let me drink some of my wine. You know what my wine is? Some water, dude. Look, if you don't know how to trade pullback, stay away. Pullback will break your apart, believe it or not. Hopefully this makes sense, guys. Let's go to the next one. I think one of my students was here on Euro JPY. And for some reason the triple arrow showed up in a different area. I think it was somewhere in here if I'm not mistaken, and that person got stopped out. I mean, that's part of doing business. But what it pissed me off here is, guys, that person got stopped out, and then the market, boom, it hit back down. Right now, look at this candle here. Candle went back up, but the rules remain the same, because I remember as soon as that person told me what the market was doing here, I took the trade. I think I entered somewhere in here because I had rules. And then I make all the money coming down. And this candle here took me out on reversal. It took me out, and I guarantee it took me out somewhere in there. I was out of the trade, and I guarantee profit. That's why everyone needs to learn how to do that. But pay attention what I told you guys on Sunday. What did I say on Sunday on Euro JPY? I said on Sunday the market was gonna drop, right? That's what I said. No, it didn't drop all the way. Actually, it did drop. It dropped all the way to our 23 Fibonacci. If you would have your trailing stop, there's no way the market would take you out. So right now, to be honest, the market is dancing exactly almost in the same area. So market is not doing nothing here. It's just sitting in there, consolidating in there. So, but most likely what we're expecting to see for this week is a market to really drop down. What do you guys think the market is gonna do here? In my opinion, oops, I keep grabbing the wrong tool. And this is me, guys. I believe the market still has room to drop. I don't know if you have any other opinion, Look at here, we're not seeing anything. Look, do you guys see any triple arrow here? Do you guys, let me bring the new simplicity system, right? So you guys can see before and after, because I want you to understand. Look at here, we got no data telling us what the market is gonna do, but I'm telling you, hey, the market is doing what it's doing best. So now let's bring the template. Look, do you guys see any simplicity in there? Anyone will say there's no trade there, but look, I will tell you there is some trade there. What do you think? Look at here, we are sitting on a 1 on 0 to our 23 Fibonacci line. All right, let's just select the area in there. What do you think is on 5 minutes? What do you think is on 15 minutes? What about 30 minutes? Some people love 15 minutes. Some other like 5 minutes. Some other like 1 hour. I mean, I can go to any lower time frame and show you. In my opinion, if you go to 5 minutes, you're gonna have triple arrow simplicity. Look at this. This is how I trade. What do you think is on 15 minutes? Triple arrow simplicity is there. You don't believe me? Let's go. Look at what Gary said. Gary says bearish. Congratulations, Gary. That is how I want you guys to think. That is how you do it. Look at this is 15 minutes. 15 minutes got triple arrow. Look at that. Triple arrow is forming in there. Look at that. Beautiful. What about 30 minutes? Those that love 30 minutes. You didn't see anything on 4 hours. Look at that. Triple arrows in there as well. What about those that love 1 hour? Look at that. Triple arrow simplicity. What about those that love 1 hour? You think the triple arrows in there? I don't know, but oh my God, this is how I do things behind scenes, because we are here trying to collect these hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. Look at that. All my lower baby time frames are doing exactly what I told you. All of them are doing exactly what I told you. It's no magic. It's really no magic. The magic is, this is the magic. Everyone should write it down. Because if you don't have this, I don't care how many years experience you still have and you're going to have in the future. We trade here. My name is Tim Irvin. We trade here with what? With rules. Rules, impatient, rule, patient, will pay your bills. You got no patience, this is not the business for you. You got no rules, this is not the business for you. Better off give your money to a homeless that you're gonna find on the street, because the market will take you out. If the market take you out with rules, you gonna respect yourself. You gonna know that what you did wrong was wrong. You're gonna realize it, and that is when you go with pride. Because unfortunately, we're not here hitting all this stuff for perfection. But so far, look at here. We got 1, 2, 3 different pairs that we're analyzing. So far, we're doing great. What about gold? I think gold spiked out very weird this week. But a lot of you guys love gold. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. On Saturday. This was Saturday. I told you gold was not ready. I said, okay, gold still had room to go up before the market dropped. No, gold really hit big home run. And then I said the market was gonna drop. In my opinion, right now, gold is dropping. You guys wanna see what the triple? What do you think is on 5 minutes? Right now, as we speak. What do you think is on 50 minutes? What do you guys think is on 30 minutes? What about 1 hour? You guys wanna see it? Let's go. Type bearish if you think it's bearish. Type bullish if you think it's bullish. Because this is how you guys need to understand. This is the only way you're gonna learn, guys. I don't know if you guys getting this content somewhere else, but if you're not, I mean, we all trade differently. And remember, guys, in our business here, in our office, we have 4 different coaches. We have Miss Jenny, which is the only female so far. We have Mr. Elvis. We have the CEO, Mr. Pat, and you got myself, Tim Irvin. Look at what Jason said. Jason Fire says bearish. Brent says bearish. Fernando says bearish. Julia says bearish. Friedland says bearish. Congratulations to all of them, because I agree with them. No one is saying bullish. I want to make a mistake, Oscar. I really want someone to say something else. All right, so look at there. My market is sitting on between a 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line, right? So this is what the market is doing. Look at what these guys are saying. These guys are freaking amazing, guys. Look, the market is doing exactly what they're telling you the market is doing. I mean, you guys don't believe them? Let's go. They're becoming your teacher. Look, triple arrow on 50 minutes. Of course, Brent. 5 minutes, 50 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. They all got what you need to see. Look, everyone else already told you what the market is doing. They told you market was buried with simplicity. Look at that. I forgot to bring simplicity. Let's bring simplicity, because you need to see it. Pay attention to this guy. This is freaking amazing, man. I don't know if you're getting this content somewhere else, but this is it, man. This is it. I will prove it to you. I mean, you here watching me for the first time. Look at that. Triple arrow. And who else is in there? All right, let's go to 50 minutes. Those that love 50 minutes say, oh my God, triple arrow and simplicity is on 50 minutes. Who is in it? I don't like those kind of questions. Explain the whole thing. But look, I'm here. Thanks God, I'm here giving you the best content. And do me a favor, guys. If you guys found in this video a knowledge out of it, give me a thumbs up. Let's support the channel, right? So we can help the algorithm. Right there, look. Triple arrow. And who else is in there? Simplicity. I told you. What about 30 minutes? Triple arrows in there as well. Fernando told you. Who else told you? Jason told you. A lot of you guys told you already what the market was doing. Oh my God, I'm telling you, man. I get very excited when I do this, guys. So just bear with me. Alright, so let's see what the guys told you. This is what the thing is telling you. There is some very talented people in this chat room here. Look at that. That's 30 minutes. Those that love 1 hour say, Irvin, you know what? I don't like 5 minutes. I don't like 50 minutes. I don't like 30 minutes. I am 1 hour trader. Fine. You want to see it 1 hour? I'm telling you. I'm sorry. I'm not telling you. More than 10 people already telling you what the market is doing. So they all think alike. So that, remember, you don't have to agree with me in all this in all the parts of this business, but there is one damn thing that you have to agree with me, which is how we need to analyze the market, because we are here to make hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. Look at here. Look at what the market is doing here. Triple arrow. Do you guys see the simplicity? Yes. Look, simplicity has not even formed yet, but it's ready, rolling in all the baby time frame. Look. We go to 4 hours. There's nothing on 4 hours, guys. There is really nothing in there. Look, but the thing is that I have rules. Look at here. 4 hours. There's nothing on 4 hours, guys. But look, my team is telling you what the market is doing. If that don't impress you guys, I don't know what else I'm gonna do with you guys. But if you guys are finding value of this, just be honest. You know, give me a thumbs up. If you think I need to improve my AA skills, also comment below. But hopefully you guys find it valid. But this is gold. This is how we do gold here. So most likely gold all next week is gonna be bearish. All right. So just just add it up to your calendar. All right. Pay attention to our next pair here. We are on AUD Canadian dollars. AUD Canadian dollar. Let's see. Dan Myers said made a bucha bullets. How you draw Fibonacci on the chart? Could you please help me? Sure, that's not a problem. Look, we have this indicator on our system. We can just give it to you. That's not a problem. What's your name? Dave. If you're new here, guys, if you guys are watching us for the first time and you guys want to grab our simplicity system, the description of the link is below. So go ahead and take a look at it. We are gonna give you $20 cash back. Once you pay, then we're gonna reimburse you your $20 cash back. All right. So that's only if you want. No pressure. You keep doing what you do best. But look over here. What I told you guys on Sunday. I said on Sunday the market will still have room to drop. Perfectly hit. And then from there, I said market was gonna go bullish up. Boom. Perfect, guys. This is perfect. So far, how many have we done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs. Out of 5 pairs, how many has really gone against us? None. So far, I have predicted what the market was gonna do. I mean, nothing. Look, we are in 6 months, guys, In 6 months, this is what I have gone wrong in 6 months. In 6 months, 6 out of what? What do you think is what? 6 out of 6. Believe it or not, I have lost 6. Showing you here live 6 trade. So basically, we're still in a what? I would say what? 90% winning ratio. That's a damn pretty good. That's a damn pretty good number in 6 damn months, guys. Some of you can't even get 10 pips a week because you guys don't trade with rules. If the market take me out with my rule, man, it feels good, because sometimes I want to be wrong when I make this analysis with you guys. But sometimes all the trades that I give you, 12, 14 pairs, they all go in my favor. Look at so far in here. This is another beautiful example here. If I go to any lower time frame, we are gonna see triple arrow. We still gonna see simplicity going bearish. That is what it is. But let me go ahead and give you the old template. I mean the new. This is the old one, not the old one, the new one. I meant the new simplicity, right? But I mean, this is what it's doing. So hopefully you guys are finding value of this guy. But this is the AUD Canadian. So in my opinion, AUD Canadian right now is bearish. Look at that. Beautiful. I didn't know. You didn't know either. Look at that. I told you the simplicity was there. Boom. You go to any lower time frame. Triple arrows there. Simplicity is there. Guarantee. Look, I'm not even going there. I'm just telling you. And this pair here, the AUD Canadian, guys, on the month of July, market will drop. You don't believe me? Put it in your calendar. Come back in August and say, Irving, you were right. Irving, you were wrong. Come. If I'm wrong, then I'll teach you 101 for free. Because that's what I do behind scenes. I'll teach you how you become a beast. Look at here, guys. I'm not even using Hudson. I'm not using Hudson. I know how to draw the Hudson. Look, I'm not using any Hudson here. I am the Hudson. I am a real human being. I love the system, but I got rules. I just trade with rules. You got no AA rules, then, well, do what you do best. All right, let me go ahead and read some of your questions here. Bolda say hi Irving, what's going on? Freelance said it's nice, good job. If you're finding value to this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, because that is how I get excited. Drinking some wine, which is water, guys. I'm telling you, I love to talk, right? I love to train you guys. I really do. I enjoy it. And then he said, can you please have a look on Euro NCD? I think it's bullish. If I have it here, I will do it, but I will do it at the end. Unfortunately, people send me private message and say, Irving, don't stay off track. Please come back and redo the whole thing, whatever you did on Saturday and Sunday. So I may come back to Euro NCD, but right now I just need to respect, what I'm doing here. But so far, this market here is bearish. All right. So let's go to the next one here. Wendell says, okay, thank you. Yeah, you better believe that. Look at what Wendell Morris just wrote, guys. This is pretty amazing, man. I'm telling you, man. Invest in yourself. You want to learn how to do this, then you got to do it a different way. But look at here. Look at here, guys. What did I say on Sunday that GBP NCD was going to do? Look at this. GBP NCD, I told you clearly on Sunday, market still had room to go up. Yes, it hit exactly our area that we wanted. And look at that. Boom. Perfect. From there, I said the market was going to come down. No, the market came down a little bit lower. And then I said the market was going to be bullish. Right now, it's doing exactly what I told you. But the question here is, what is Simplicity doing? You want to see it? Because I don't know. Look at this. I don't know. Simplicity should be a bullish market as well. Should be a bullish market. Look at that. It's not even there. What do you guys think? It's on 5 minutes. What about 15 minutes? 30 minutes? 1 hour? Triple arrow and Simplicity is waiting for you there. Who likes 15 minutes? All right, let me go to 15 minutes for those that love 15 minutes. So Irving, I love 15 minutes. Well, triple arrow Simplicity is on 15 minutes. You want to see it? Let's go. here. Look at here. Triple arrow. Simplicity is there. Market here in 4 hours bullish. What about those 30 minutes? Simplicity and triple arrow is going bullish. I forgot to draw the box, because if you fail to draw the box, it's kind of sometimes it make it difficult to realize where the market is sitting exactly. Look at that. I told you what the market is doing. I told you. Who loved 1 hour? What do you think is in 1 hour? Most likely triple arrow and simplicity is there as well. I'm doing this live, guys. You guys are watching me live. I ain't making this up. And anyway, we don't make anything up here. If you think we are doing that, then you can just go ahead and dislike, or unsubscribe from this channel. It's fine. My job is to be honest with you guys. Look at this. I told you what the market was doing. I told you. You guys start seeing it. Look at what free less. It says a bullish market. Of course it is. Good job, man. Proud of you, man. So far you have given us 2 different trades. But we got some very, very knowledgeable traders here in our chat room right now as we speak. Right now. I'm not going to mention their say. Rolf said AUD USD. I just did that. So I ain't going back to that one. I told you what the market is doing. Gold is bearish, dude. Alright, so let's go to the next one. No losses, newbie in the building. Look at that. Oh wow, congratulations. Look at what Mr. Crow is saying. There you go. I'm telling you, man, you got rules. There's no room for losses. You know who lose money in this business, guys? People that don't trade with rules. Rule is everything you need in this business. It's like you're driving a vehicle with no tires, or driving a vehicle with no fuel. You think the vehicle is gonna take you somewhere? Heck no, it's not gonna do that. But look at here, look at CHF JPY. CHF JPY. I gotta pay attention because Mr. Andrew Stanley will look at this video and tell me, Irvin, you made a mistake on this. Probably you guys won't even cut up what he sees, but he will come back to this one and tell me what's wrong. So look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said on Sunday market was gonna come back and retest our 38.2 or 23 Fibonacci line. Perfect hit. Perfect. And then I said the market was gonna come back and retest our mid 38 to our 50. Perfect. Right now the market is doing exactly what I told you. It's doing exactly what I told you. Look at that. Look at what the guy that said he has not lost anything and he's new. We trade with rules. Look, you are seeing the old version, right? This is the original triple error. You want to see the simplicity? Look, so far we have done what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. 7 trades going all 0 out of 6. 6, 7. I said 7. 0 out of 7. That's a damn pretty good number. So far we are hitting what? 100% winning ratio. I'm telling you, man, this is top notch. All right, let's go to the next one. Who was trading NCD USD? Look at this. I said on Sunday the market was gonna go bullish, but I think I over exaggerate on Sunday. I gave you more than what I thought it was gonna be. I should have corrected, and I caught this mistake. But hey, sometimes I just read it or come and tell you here live, and you know what I told you. But what I told you here, market was gonna come back and still continue about another 20 pips. But if you would have put your trailing stop, there's no way you would have lose this trade, guys. There's no way. This is a winning ratio. All my guys that have done this with me, work with me side by side, they should know right now, the market is in a bearish market. It is in a bearish market, and that's what it's doing. All right, let's go and check what our new system is doing, because I mean, you don't know, neither I. All right, so that's why I like to put both systems side by side. First I show you the previous one, the original one, then I show you here. Look at here, I told you the market was bearish. Now it's bearish. It's doing exactly what I'm telling you that it's doing. Even simplicity is telling you it's bearish. So shout out to that. Any question, guys? Any question? Fernando, any question? DD, any question? Wendell, any question, guys? Look at it. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Look, our CEO loved this pair. He loved it so much. This is one of his favorite pair. Look at here. I told you the market was going to be in a bullish market. So far, it's doing exactly what I told you. Nothing is wrong with this one. Market's still in a bullish market. All those that know this market here is still in a bullish, they know it's still bullish. There's nothing yet telling us the market is dropping. Nothing yet. It will, maybe it will continue, but nothing is telling us the market is going to be bearish. That makes sense. Ram Pransat say GBP JPY. Did I have that GBP JPY? Yeah, but if you guys gonna ask me question, let me know what you're doing, because I'm not gonna be giving you the answer, tell you okay GBP JPY, but what are you doing in there? Because I mean, you're not gonna learn by me going there and tell you the answer. That's not how it works. You're gonna answer yourself the question, and then I will be the judge. I will tell you if you're wrong or right, because I want everyone to know that you are right or you are wrong. Putting you on the spot, nice and clean, right? It's a NCD USD, where it is heading and far down, but that's not the answer. All right, cool. Let's move on. We're gonna come back and do another few more pair. All right, let's go to USD Canadian. Who's trading USD Canadian, guys? But so far we are doing great, guys. So far, what? USD Canadian, USD Canadian. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 11? I thought it was 12. Oh, you know what? Yesterday I did a class, probably at the league one pair out of it. My apologies if I did that, guys. But it should be 12. I think I gave it 12. But look at this. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday on USD Canadian. So, first of all, I saw the triple arrow going where? I saw the triple arrow going bullish. Look, I got no simplicity here. I just want you to see before and after, right? So, and then I say on Sunday, okay, market is going to do this, guys. It's going to still drop, retesting our 23 Fibonacci line, perfect hit. And then I said the market's still going to reverse and retest our 38 to our mid 23, perfect hit. No, market went back up. Then I said the market was going to drop. So right now, we don't have any signal whatsoever the market is going to drop. So be patient. Now, for all those that who still don't want to believe, oh, Irving is just making it up, blah, blah, blah. I'm just making that up, guys. But maybe guys, some of you think that way, so I don't know. But let me show you. What do you think is on the new simplicity, guys? What do you think is in this particular area? Right where we're seeing it. Look, so far we got 11 out of 11. None has gone against me. That's a damn pretty good one. Look at what Mr. Craig said. It's a pullback. It's good. I didn't want to say that, Mr. Craig, but your answer here is very, very advanced. Ooh, look at it. Just showed up as we speak. It just showed up. Now, Mr. Craig should know exactly what the market is going to do from that point on. But look, supposedly, we are going in a bullish market. Right? Look at that. Triple arrow there. Simplicity is in here. Supposedly, we're not in a bullish market. In my opinion, this trade here is whoever entered on this one should not be making any money as a bullish. There's no money there as a bullish. So right now, what I think the market is gonna do, the market is gonna continue back down as a bearish. Look, you guys not seeing anything. You guys want to see the result of what's going on 5 minute, 50 minute, 5 minute? Look, this is fresh. I'm doing it live. There's no such a thing that we need to do here. But you know what? Let's go. Let's highlight the area right where the market is sitting. Market is sitting between our 50 to what? To our 38 golden area. That's what a lot of people love when I say golden area. Oh man. Hopefully all this makes sense, guys, because if it doesn't, I don't know what else I have to do to make you understand how our system works. Alright, so that's our golden area, right? So those that love 5 minute, Because a lot of you, please never ever trade in 1 minute, please, 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 please. 1 minute is bad business, in my opinion. That's me. You can do whatever you want. It's your account. It's your decision to buy and sell. But I'm just telling you, as Team with Irvin, is do not trade on any 1 minute. But I mean, at the end of the day, I had to let you know what I think. All right. So look at that. So far, we are gonna go and look. What, 5 minutes? Because I don't know what it is. Look at that. It says yes sir, USD Canadian. I guess you are killing USD Canadian. If you are in a bullish market, it's time to get out, man. Really, it's time to get out. You should know why it's time to get out. Look at that, it's forming. Look at that, it's forming. It's not ready there yet. It's forming. The drop is forming, guys. So, but this is a good example. It just showed up as we were speaking. So it just showed up. So we need to give it, a few more hours, and then you will see the triple arrow here with simplicity. Come back, take a look at it. You will be amazed. This just showed up. All right, let's go to the next one. Let's go to USD JPY. Who was saying USD JPY? Look at this one. This one is good. This one got us really good. And then we came back. We did this live trade yesterday. I was doing it with my other team behind scene, because and we were analyzing this pair. We came up with a decision on USD JPY. The market was a damn bullish market. They know the market was bullish. Look at that, market still damn bullish. But what I told you guys on Sunday, yes. So now we can say we got 7 out of 6 months. All right. So this is a lost trade. So out of 11 trades, we got what? We got 1 that went against us. It's fine. It's part of doing business. All right. So in here on USD JPY, I said the market was still gonna go up and retest our 38.2 Fibonacci line. No, the market tried. I don't even know if you would have a trailing stop, 20 to 30 pips, right? That's what I always tell my guys. Please, if you are in this business, always activate your trailing stop, because that is the only way that you're gonna secure pips. If this one would have give you 50 pips here and you would have moved your trailing stop, there's no way in hell that this would take you out. There's no way. Unless if you don't want to follow direction and you want to do what you want to do. Because right here, look at here, market most likely pay you what? 43 pip, perfect hit. On this reversal here, on this huge engulfing candle here, the market would have taken you out. So to be honest, you wouldn't even lose this one. So to be honest, this is a good trade. This is a damn good trade. But I told the guys yesterday the market was doing a bullish market here. Look guys, you guys not even seeing what Simplicity is doing in here. But Simplicity in here is giving us a Simplicity signal. You guys want to see it? Look, let me go ahead and bring the Simplicity template, because you guys need to see it. Alright, so make sure guys, if you guys are watching it for the first time and you want to grab a triple arrow, the description of the link is below. So we are gonna go ahead and give you the $20. You know what? Not $20. I'm gonna change it, guys. We're gonna go ahead and give you $25 cash back. That is if you want. If you don't, it's fine. Just do what you do best. Stay where you are. No push, no nothing. Look at that. The Simplicity is not there. Look at what Simplicity is telling you that it's doing. The market is doing here. Look, guys. I trade with rules, guys. Simplicity is telling you the market is bearish. What do you think Irvin is telling you the market is doing? Look at this. Fernando, what do you think the market is doing? Mr. Craig, what do you think the market is doing? Wendell, what do you think the market is doing here? You guys should know. What do you think it's doing? Look at here. We got triple arrow here. What do you think it's on, let's say 5 minutes, 50 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour? What do you guys think is in there? You think it's bullish or bearish? You think the Simplicity is up or down? Because this is a dang good question, guys. This is a dang good question. You need to understand. Mr. Ali says it's a pullback. Well, all right, let's go to 5 minutes. Oops, what did I do here? Let's see here, bearish, pullback. This is a bullish market. Here we got a bullish market. Jason says it's a bullish market. I always say it's a bearish market. No, it's not. It's not bearish. It's bullish, guys. This is what you guys need to pay attention. Yes, pullback, correct. But look at here. We are in any lower time frame. We are doing a bullish market. Real time. I'm telling you, real time. Jason's Fire said 100 bear on 50 minutes. I don't think it's bear on 50 minutes, sir. It's bullish. Simplicity should be going up. That's just me, right? You are you. I'm just telling you what it's doing. But I mean, if it goes there, it goes there. Peter says not confirmed pullback on 50 minutes yet. Well, it's a bullish market, guys. Simplicity and triple arrow should be going up. Look, I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing it. But let me show you. I forgot to draw the pair. But it should be. You guys are watching this. You guys are watching the original one. Remember, it's 5 minutes. 5 minutes should be giving you a bullish market. All this bullish is what you saw in 4 hours. If you go to 50 minutes, you guys should be seeing that area that I draw on. Yes, look at what Gustavo said. Gustavo said 5, 15, 30, and 1 hour are bullish. Correct. That is true. That is true. He got it right. He got all the answers right. You guys are looking at way top. That is already went up. So I'm just looking for the whole picture from the bottom up. So right now, that bullish that you guys are seeing is not fully telling you with a strong confirmation. Yeah, it's gonna drop. I mean bearish. It's not gonna drop. Yeah, the market is bullish. Peter says bullish as well. Even Mr. Wendell says bullish. So that's what the market is doing, guys. All right. So hopefully you guys found the value of this. I don't know if you guys have any questions, but I mean, I'm here to help you. If you guys are confused, look at this bullish market. I told you simplicity was there. Look at that. That's what Mr. Gustavo just told us. Market was all bullish all over. Look, he even said it in 30 minutes. We got triple arrow and simplicity going up. He's right. Did you say 1 hour too? Yeah, he said even 1 hour. Let's go to 30 minutes. Because simplicity and triple arrow should be bullish. Should be bullish. Let me drink some of the wine, guys. Some of the wine. Oh my God, it feels good. This week has been a crazy week, guys, to be honest. Really crazy one. Make sure, guys, you know, if you find the value of this, what did you have to do? Is just be honest. Be honest and give me a thumbs up and say, Irvin, you know, you're doing a great job. Irvin, you need to improve this. Whatever you think the market I need to do, I will do it. But look at here, we're doing it this live. So we know all USD JPY is in a bullish trend. It's in a bullish trend. All right, unless if you're not using our simplicity or you're not using our triple arrow. I love to trade with both systems at the same time, side by side. Look at that, triple arrow. Simplicity is going where? It's going up. Look, Gustavo told us that 1 hour has also triple arrow and simplicity going bullish. I don't know. You don't know either. Can you please have a look at Euro NCD? I think it's bullish. Euro NCD. Did I did that one already? I already did that. So I'm gonna go back in there. I guess you showed up late. I mean, look, Brian said he loved the class. I'm glad you like it. I mean, this is it. This is it. If you finding better education better than this, then you know, check my hand. Look at that. Look at what Gustavo told us, guy. He told us from 5 minutes all the way to 1 hour. He was a damn right. I knew he was right. I told you he was right either. Look at that. Triple arrow, simplicity is going where? It's going bullish. Still damn bullish. But But look, we're not seeing anything on 4 hours. I love 4 hours. I'm a 4 hours person. Look, I'm not seeing anything on 4 hours. Look at that. All I'm seeing here, look, Simplicity has not even showed up yet. Supposedly here is telling us market is doing bearish. I'm telling you, Tim Irvin is telling you market is going up. So this game here is over. Finito. Done. Nada. It's gone. It's over. We are trading real time. Your job is to trade reality. Real time. In real time, Gustavo gave you all the answers. So he was right. Shout out to you, man. Good job. Congratulations, by the way. Alright, so Peter says Euro NCD is bearish. Alright, so someone gave you the answer. But who asked that question? I forgot. Triple arrow is faster than the Simplicity. I'm not gonna get into that. I just had rules, Jason. I just had rules. And I trade with rules. It doesn't matter what comes on my way. We trade with rules. And whoever I teach the 101, because I teach the 101. If you want to learn how to do all this stuff behind scene, then I teach you. It takes time, but I will make sure by the time you finish this class, you're gonna be seeing the market completely in a different point of view. But look at this. All the guys that have already done the 101 are really giving you the answers, guys. But usually, this is how everybody trade. Everybody trade blowing up the chart all the way to their face. They don't know if the market is in a bullish market. They don't know if the market is in a really bearish market. They got no idea. They just assuming. They look, triple arrow here, Simplicity here. But here at the end of the day, this is how they trade. Exactly how you seeing it right now, guys. This is how they do it. And they say, oh, Irvin, I think the market here, look, this is how they think. Pay attention. I think the market here is consolidating. What do you think it's doing? Well, I guarantee you, if I ask all of you here, well, not all of you, because I guarantee you some of you guys know exactly what's going on. But if I ask majority of you guys watching me live, you guys will agree with it. Say, yes, Irvin, the market is consolidating. I will not enter. No, it's not. No, it's not. The thing is that you don't know what you're doing. Market is only going to do bullish or bearish, guys. If you are going to be trading against the trend, good luck. My job is to tell you, go the right way. Use rules. Do not trade without rules. The market will break your neck, will break your wallet. If you want to lose money, go ahead and donate it to those people asking for money on the street, on the traffic light. Alright? Because there's people all over the place that need help. Especially right now that we're going to this epidemic stuff. Alright? So hopefully that answers your question. I don't know who asked this question. But oh my God, I'm telling you guys, I get excited on this one. Alright, so look at this one here. Look, can you imagine someone, guys? Can you imagine someone teaching you how to read this stuff exactly how you're seeing it right now? Can you imagine someone teaching you how to read this stuff like that? Look, this is great, to be honest. But you just need to know how to do it. You just need how to do it. But this is great. This is great information in there. The thing is, you just don't know. Everyone will say, Irvin, but I cannot see any candles. I don't even know what this thing is doing. You don't have rules. Either way, if we blow it up, you still don't know. If we zoom it out all the way, you still don't know. It's simple. You do not have rules. Alright? Alright, so Arctic says, bearish is exhausted, time to go up. There you go. The Euro NCD 4 hour has the Simplicity arrow on. I don't know, man. Let's go there. Let's go and check what Bulldog is saying. He's saying is what? Bearish? NCD 4 hour has the Simplicity arrow on. What do you mean with that? Is a bullish or bearish? I need to know, brother. Look at that. I already told you the market, it was trending down. It's just getting ready. I don't know why are you seeing the Simplicity is going up. Look, this is how you look at what this guy is saying, guys. He's just looking at the late picture. This is too late. Look, he's just going by what is late. This will never ever make you money anymore. This is over. Game over. You are trading here real time. What is your real time telling you the market is doing? This is what you need to concentrate. Why would you look back? It's like you trying to make money. What happens yesterday? That news is gone. It's finito. It's over. You need to look for the future. Future telling you here, market is getting ready to do a small pullback. I've dropped down. That's what the market is going to do. All right. Hopefully that makes sense. Gustavo says, wait for the right setup. It takes patience. There you go. Patience pays the bills. He's right. Good job, Gustavo. Proud of you, man. You're doing a great thing. All right. So hopefully you guys found the value out of this. But that's all I have, guys. So I'm gonna come back on Saturday. I'm gonna do the pre-week analysis, and hopefully you guys can collect those hundreds and hundreds of pips out of it. And then on Sunday, I think I'm gonna go out and fishing on Saturday, but most likely I'm gonna do it before I go out to the ocean and give you the analysis so you can study over the weekend. And then on Sunday, I also gonna go out and do more fishing, because we in summer, guys. Oh, one thing before you guys forget, guys, the month of July and August, the market will be extremely slow, guys. Do not expect the market to do a lot of movement. It's not gonna happen. Usually people takes off and be with their family, all right, or they're going, you know, and go fishing, or they do whatever they have to do at the ocean. So there's plenty of activity. The market will be slow, period. All right, so stay away. This is the time for you guys to learn how to make hundreds and hundreds of pips. You want me to teach you? Well, let me know. All right. So, but I think that's all I have for you guys. Unless if you guys have any other question. If you guys don't have any question, guess what I'm gonna do now? Well, it's late, guys. To be honest, I want to go and cut my grass. To be honest, I'm tired of trading, guys. I need to distract my mind, go do something else, and blah blah. I really want to go and do some yard work. I really want to do that because I enjoy it. It's trading. It gets boring once you know how to do this stuff. All right, guys. So I'll see you guys back on Saturday. All right, so take care. Bye bye.